Hello you lovely people, and welcome back to a new video. I'm back out on the east coast and it's not solo tonight. I'm out with my beautiful wife who's up there. Say hello to YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
So yeah, we're not far from Sands End, and then over that way is Whitby, and we're just off the Cleveland Way path. But we've got a cracking little spot. Someone has had a fire there before, and then obviously that's the cliff. So testing out a new bit of kit for me tonight as well, new tent. So this camp is inspired by a dream my wife had the other day. She said we had a camp on the coast and then I pushed her off a cliff. So I'm like every man, I want to make my wife happy, so I've brought her out for a nice coastal camp right by a cliff. Had absolutely glorious sunshine. I saw a few dark clouds and I was like, better get this tent up. So I've shot the tent up and the tarp just in time. We've got a little hole there in the tarp, so it'll probably drip there. Wife sat in the conservatory area because I'm not allowing her in the tent. But yeah, that's probably one of the quickest times I've put a tent up. So I'm going to get my head down until this rain passes over, and then I'll cook tea. So the rain has passed now, did get quite heavy at times. Tonight I haven't set anything up in the tent. We are in the Phoxx3 OEX, which was given to me by Dan, the English woodsman. So Dan, thank you very much. Given me this ages ago, and this is the first time I've used it, believe it or not. He gave it to me in that car park over there from when we done a camp up at the Folly in the woods, the haunted Folly. But that's the little shelter I chucked over quickly. But I will give you a little tour inside the tent when I've set everything up. But it will shortly be time for some scran. For tea tonight, and I am cooking it. Turkey rashers, they're for breakfast. Mushrooms, they'll also be for breakfast. We've got some 30-day matured beef steaks, bread buns, they're for breakfast. We've got a lovely peppercorn and brandy pour over sauce, so we'll chuck some mushrooms in that little beauty, pour them over the steaks. Lovely jubbly. We've got some chicken and garlic pasta as a side to the steaks, and we've got some cheesy, saucy, extra cheesy mac and cheese, which will also, the wife can decide if she wants mac and cheese or she wants chicken and garlic to go with her steaks. Obviously I'm in charge of cooking tea and breakfast, and the wife's in charge of snacks. So when I get a chance, we'll see what the wife's brought for snackage. Right, that's the mushrooms going. The wife's decided she doesn't want pasta. She's going to have mash with a steak. I'm going to have a pack of mac and cheese. In a minute I'm just going to cook a few mushrooms and I'll slap on the steak. Yum yum. Currently just boiling up a bit of water in the job's worth. Cooking the pasta, which the remaining water will cook the mash. Cooking some steaks to a view like that. Really on the coast we should be having fish and chips, but I don't like fish. Want a bit on your mash?
No, thank you.
Happy?
Okay.
So the wife is happy. She's got a nice decaf coffee, steak. The ongoing joke with the wife is that she needs a bib because she always gets it down her. Have you got any down you this time?
Not yet.
Not yet. I'm just cooking up mine now. Mac and cheese is done. Just waiting for my steaks to cook. I could have mash with it because there is another mash. Do you want another mash?
No, thank you.
So yeah, wife's just enjoying her dinner, looking out. Nice clear skies at the minute. Hopefully we don't get no more rain, that'll be perfect. I'm going to scran my food and then probably get the beds ready. I've done the mats, I blew the mats up, but yeah, get the sleeping bags out ready. So that's my tea for tonight. Steak, peppercorn sauce from mushrooms and a side of mac and cheese. Right, you obviously don't want to see me eat this, so I'm going to scran this and I'll bring you back to show you around my tent. These are the bag of snacks that the wife has brought. Yous have got to rate how good her snacks are. So we've got some grated cheese, some decaf cappuccinos, some squashed steak Ridge crisps, some cool Deltas, cheap Doritos, ooh, some tin foil. We've got some British soured cream, some cheese, nacho cheese, some jelly mix, not squishies though, and some birthday brownies.
And that's for dessert?
That's dessert, and there is some Lurpak in there.
So my idea was, I was going to make nachos, but we've just had steak and everything, so I don't think we're going to do that. I think we'll save them for next week. But everybody knows Danny loves a sweetie, so...
Danny loves squishies. But I'll make do with cheap, knock-off Aldi sweets. Even though Aldi do squishies, 89p a bag. The camera's not facing you anyway, it's facing me. But yeah, I'm stuffed.
I'm stuffed.
The wife is on washing up duties. She's got to jump down there to go and wash it up. I have made a bit of a mess, like. But for breakfast, like you say, we've got some bread buns in there. Bread topped. We've got some cheesy bit. No, we haven't. We've got turkey bacon. Because someone can't eat pork. Well, the sausage kind of pork. And there is some mash in there, so we could have a mash and turkey bacon sandwich for breakfast.
No, thanks.
Or we'll probably just have turkey bacon and mushroom butties. And yeah, lovely jubbly. Right, so we're going to tidy up our mess. Humble abode is all set up. I'll give you a quick tour. So inside the Phoxx3, over this side, I'm in there, in the 2-season army sleeping bag, with a cheap Tesco pillow, with the fleece cover. Just garden in the corner. If you know, you know. I'm on the Nature Hike mattress mat with a foot pump at the bottom. The wife is in the sleeping pod because she can't sleep in a normal sleeping bag. She's got a cheap Tesco pillow, but she's got no luxury. She's just going to have it normally without a fleece cover. Home comfort for her. She's got a Tinkerbell cushion, and then underneath that is the mat she was given her to by the Yeti. Absolute legend, Paul. The Climate insulated static V light. Then over in that corner, if it does get too cold, I have got a jungle blanket snug pack. Here we've got the Sun Blesser bivy light. Oh, and the wife's pimped up. If you know, you know. But yeah, what a nice little setup. Very spacious inside the Phoxx3. Thought the Phoxx2 couldn't get any better, but the Phoxx3's yeah, brilliant for 2 people. I mean, the Phoxx2 you can get away with 2 people, but the bags can stay in the tent. You don't have to leave them in the vestibules. But definitely been a drop in temperature. The tide is definitely going out, as you can see. You couldn't see them rocks earlier. And below, you can see rocks in the water. But it won't be long before we retire, and I'll be snacking on some of them sweets the wife brought. So we have retired for the night. The wife is all tucked up in her sleep bag. I'm tucked up in mine. She's got brownies and crisps and sweets outside.
That's not all.
So yeah, it's about 9 o'clock. It's getting quite nippy out. We've eaten well tonight because the chef has cooked well tonight. And chef is cooking bacon in the morning. So it's good night from me. It's good night from her.
Night.
And we will catch yous in the morning. But if you want to see what we get up to on a night, you can check us out on OnlyFans. Good morning, you lovely people. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. Good night's sleep. Last night you could hear the seagulls. You could hear the waves crashing below. You could hear the wife making some unusual farting and burping noises, which was divine. But I think it's time to get up. Absolutely glorious out. Absolutely stunning out there. So, time to get up and make some turkey bacon butties. That's if the mice haven't eaten my bacon like they did last time. And that's breakfast on the go. Mushrooms, turkey bacon in their hot water for the wife's decaf cappuccino. I treat the wife too well, I really do. Views to this and breakfast and a cappuccino. I'm not even a barista. But yeah, I'll cook breakfast and then I'm going to start packing down. And then we've got a strenuous walk back into where Sands End is going to take us at least 5-10 minutes to get back there. It's going to be a grueler, guys. There's my turkey bacon and mushroom butty. I'm going to enjoy it with this view. It's not proper bacon, that. I think the Canadians eat a lot of turkey bacon. I think it's just sliced turkey. There's no bacon about it. But I'm going to enjoy this and I'm going to start packing up. Right guys, that's where the tent was. Our rubbish is there. So as always, leave no trace. Again, I want to thank you very much for watching. It's a goodbye from me. It's a goodbye from the ball and chain. Look after yourself. Peace.